Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Karen. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I will be doing an empty house tour. So you won't be looking at me, you'll just hear my voice. So I'm sorry. I don't have nobody to help me record this video, but I'm gonna get it done for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get started. So there's the front door. When you come in, to the right, we have this little room over here. I think we're gonna do this like the playroom for the kids, not sure yet. Then we have the formal dining room, so it does have the entrance to the kitchen, and then it's like split here, so there's like another entrance. Then over here we have a closet, so good for storage. On this side, we have the downstairs. So I think this is like the coat hanging thing. Somebody left the trash up there. And the bathroom. So we have the bathroom, sink, toilet, regular bathroom. But it also has access to the bedroom downstairs. So here's the bedroom downstairs. Okay, here it is. And then we have the living room area here. So, and then we go into the kitchen. Look at that kitchen, guys. I love the backsplash so much. So there we go. We don't have the refrigerator in yet. My husband's not home. Home. Because this is our new home. He's not here yet. With that, so the pantry. And here we have the stairs upstairs. So again, there was all my shoes over there. I took my shoes off. But here we have the garage. Turn on the light. So just two-door garage. So let's head upstairs. So coming up the stairs, we see the closet, some more storage. We have what they call the Jack and Jill room. So here we have bedroom number 2 and the closet, regular boring closet. And then we have the door that opens up to the bathroom. So again, hey there. The tub and the toilet in here. Boring old bathroom. And then we have the other door that goes to the next bedroom over here. So again, bathroom access here. And then coming out of this bedroom, you can see downstairs. So we're gonna go down this hallway, and over here is the laundry room area. So here we have another bedroom. Okay, bedroom number 4, access bathroom here. So what's up, guys? Bathroom, and then we have the closet in the bathroom. And then for the washer and dryer, so the laundry room. And my favorite part of the house, my bedroom, our master bedroom. So here is the entrance. To this side, we have what they call the sitting room. So it has like 2 little steps. But look at this, you guys. Oh my goodness. So if my bed is here, for example, this is how it's gonna look. So a lot of space. This can actually be like 2 rooms in one if you want to put it that way. So let's go into the bathroom. We have the shower there, the bathtub here. I love how it has the little sitting thing there. And then this window is blurred. Over here we have the toilet. It's kind of big. I like it. And over here, vanity. And a closet. You know, stored towels or whatever. And then the closet, it's very spacious, so I love it. You know, I don't have that much stuff, so there'll be plenty of room all the time in here. So yeah, you guys, this is my empty house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am so excited to share with you guys, you know, just the whole unpacking and everything. Not too exciting about the unpacking part, but you know, just bringing you guys along with us. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I have to call my husband, see where he's at. So I'm gonna close out this video for you guys, but thanks so much for watching.